Chapter 12. The Three Brothers. Ram, Krishna and Mohan were three brothers. They were all poor. They were working in a factory. They went to the local temple. They prayed to the god, "Please make us rich." Then suddenly God spoke to them. "Each of you go to the golden river and pour 3 drops of holy water taken from the temple tank. Then the golden river would become gold and you will become rich. But you must go alone," said the god. "If the water is not holy, you will be turned into stones." Next day, Ram started with one very big bottle of temple water. The golden river was far away and there was no road to go there. So Ram started walking with a big pot of water. After some time, he became thirsty and started drinking the temple water. Then a dog ran up to him and told, "Please, Ramu, I am much more thirsty than you. If you do not give water to me, I will die." But Ram laughed at the dog and told, "It does not matter to me. Golden River is far off. If I give you some water, this bottle will have less water and I will not be able to become rich." Then he walked further, and after one more day he again became thirsty. He opened the bottle to drink some water. At that time a very poor man came and cried before Rama, "Please, Rama, give me some water. I have not drunk any water for days." But Ram did not give him water and started walking towards the golden river. Then after one more day he was able to see the golden river from where he was standing. There was some water left in the bottle. He thought that he will drink some and pour the 3 drops in the river. There was a small baby lying on the road. It was crying for some water. But Rama did not give it any water, and after drinking some more water, went near the river. When he poured the water from the bottle in the river, the golden river spoke to him. "Ram, you are pouring bad water into me. You will become a stone." Ram then cried and asked, "How can it be bad water? I have taken it from the temple tank." Then the river replied, "But you did not give it to the thirsty dog, the old man, and the poor crying baby. So this water has become unholy." Ram was turned into stone. Krishna and Mohan waited for some more time. Then Krishna told Mohan, "Something must have happened to Ram. This time I will go to the golden river with the temple water." He also met the thirsty dog, the pitiable old man, and the crying baby. He did not give them any water but drank it himself. When he poured the remaining water in the river, he was also turned into stone. Mohan was a very small boy. After a few days, he also started walking towards the golden river with a bottle of water. Since he was small, he could carry only a small bottle. After few days, when he was about to drink the water, the thirsty dog came and asked him, "Please give me some water to drink, otherwise I will die." Mohan was a nice and kind boy. He said to the dog, "Sure, but please do not drink more. I need some water to pour in the river." His bottle became half empty, but he knew that he needed only 3 drops to pour in the river. He then started walking with half a bottle of water towards the golden river. Then, after 2 more days of walking, he became very thirsty. He thought that he will drink some water from the bottle. When he was about to drink, the old man came crying. He told him, "Little child, please give me some water." Mohan drank a few drops and gave it to the old man. "Grandpa, I want 3 drops of water to put in the river, so please do not drink more." But the old man almost drank the entire water. There was about 20 drops of water left in the bottle, but Mohan was a very good boy. He took the bottle with him and started walking towards the river. Then after one more day, he could see the river. He then stopped for drinking a few drops of water. Then came the crying baby. It cried, "Please give me little water." Then Mohan told the baby, "Please take a few drops because that is what is left." The baby drank away all the water. Mohan did not shout at baby. He went close to the river and sat near it. "This time it have not got the holy water, but I will come again." Then tears came into his eyes, thinking about his brothers. 3 drops of his tears fell in the river. Then the golden river became really gold. He heard the voice of God. "You are very kind, Mohan. Your tears for your brothers are the only holy water I needed. They are much more holier than the water from the temple tank." God then gave him back Ram and Krishna. He told them that they should be as good as Mohan. All of them lived happily afterwards.